This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Karen.schell. Move-in ready 3-bedroom 2.5 bath townhome in Chisel Run. Welcoming foyer has high ceilings, new flooring, a powder room and large coat closet. Freshly painted, new kitchen flooring, new dishwasher and new range and hood. Laundry room is off the kitchen with plenty of shelving for a pantry. Enjoy the nice front porch or the back deck that has a wooded view. Minutes to shopping and restaurants. For more information, review the details below.